Hello everyone, this is Suraj here. Again, welcome you all to my channel. Today I will show you how to attach one EBS volume to an EC2 instance, right? So for that I will go to my AWS account first. Here you can see I am into my AWS account and Oregon region is selected. Okay, so right now I will launch one EC2 instance. And here I will choose that Amazon Linux 2 AMI which is in free tier. Okay, I'll select this one. And I will choose t2.micro as instance type. Yes, you can see here t2.micro, it is also in free tier. Okay, now here you can see one default VPC is there. It is actually by default selected, and in subnet I will choose one availability zone, that is the first one. Okay, or the default one was no preference. That means the EC2 instance may be launched in any availability zone. Okay, so I'll choose the first one, that is US OS 2A, right? Now I'll go to add storage. Yes, here you can see the volume type is root. Okay, and the device file system name is /dev/xvda, and the snapshot ID is there. So I will tell you what is this. So first of all I will copy the snapshot and the device name in a notepad. I will keep it in a notepad. Okay, now one option is there, delete on termination. This is by default enabled for the root volume. Okay, so what is this? If this is enabled, that means when the EC2 instance will be terminated, then the data within this EBS volume, this EBS volume means the EBS volume which is the root volume, will be deleted, right? Now if I add another volume, that is here you can see the volume type is EBS volume, elastic block storage volume, and the device file system is /dev xdb xdc, anything you can choose here from this drop down list. Okay, and there is no such snapshot. That means this is blank EBS volume and the size is 8 GB. We can edit this to 2 GB, 1 GB, anything. Okay, and here you can see the delete on termination option is disabled by default. That means even if we delete the terminate the EC2 instance, then the data within this extra EBS volume will not be deleted, right? Okay, but for now I will not attach the EBS volume from here. I will just launch the instance. Okay, so I will go to tag. I will name this name new EC2. Okay, so I'll configure security group. I'll create one, MySG. Okay, so this is MySG. Port 22 is opened. You can see here in the inbound rule from anywhere. I review and launch, and I will choose proceed without a keeper because I am least bothered about this keeper in this video. I launch the instances, right? Okay, it is getting launched. I will go to view instances. Here you can see it is in pending state. Okay, so till that time I will go to this volume section. Okay, so I have clicked on volumes. Here you can see one 8 GB volume is there, EBS volume. The type is GP2 which we have selected. Okay, here you can see one snapshot is there. Why this snapshot? The snapshot is the 88431 suffix is here. Also you can see this is the snapshot. So why the snapshot has come? That means within this this is the snapshot of the AMI. Okay, which is used by the EC2 instance to get launched. So I will search for the snapshot in the snapshot section, right? I have copied this. I will go to this snapshot and I will choose this public snapshots, right? Because the snapshot or the AMI which we have selected is not created by us. Okay, and is not a private snapshot. It is public snapshot offered by AWS. Okay, I will search here. I will enter, press enter. It's getting loaded. You can see here many snapshots are there in this section. So I have pasted this particular snapshot ID here. Here you can see the snapshot size is 8 GB. Okay, and snapshot status is okay. It is also available. It is not encrypted, and we have taken the snapshot. We have restored the data of this snapshot in this EBS volume. You can see here. This is the EBS volume, which is by default the root volume of the EC2 instance which we just have launched, right? So here you can see this is the volume. It is now running. Now I will connect to this instance. We'll connect. It is now getting connected. Yes, okay. So I'll do df-h. Yes, you can see /dev /xbda1. Okay, this is the file system and which is mounted on root / you can see. So here I will see /dev /xbda. Okay, but here you can see this is xbda1. Okay, why this is? I'll do lsblk. Lsblk is for listing all the blocks which are attached to this EC2 instance, right? So I'll see here. Here you can see xbda is the disk name. Okay, and xbda1 is a partition. Okay, is a part of this disk, and this part is mounted on this root. Here you can see the mount point is /, right? Now I will attach another EC2 another EBS volume in this EC2 instance, right? So for that, what I need to do, I will go to EBS section, means volume. I will create a new one. Okay, this is general purpose SSD. The size I will choose 2. Okay, availability zone you can see US OS 2A, which is selected by default because we have launched the EC2 instance in this availability zone only. Okay, for snapshot I will not choose any snapshot because I want this EBS to be blank. Okay, that is blank EBS volume, no data is there within this. Okay, so add tag. In this tag I'll write like new EBS, right? So I will create this volume. It's getting created. Yes, you can see here new EBS GP2 2GB RAM. Okay, means not 2GB RAM, 2GB size. Okay, and in snapshot there is nothing. That means the EBS volume is blank. Okay, it is getting created. It is now available. Okay, now what I will do, I will select this and will attach this to the EC2 instance. We'll attach volume and choose the instance. Refresh. Yes, new EC2 which is in running state. You can see I have selected this and device name is /dev /sdf, right? Okay, and here you can see newer Linux kernels may rename the device to /dev /xbdf through this internally. Okay, means we will see how does this work. Attach volume. Okay, now I will go to the instance. Again I will list all the blocks. Here you can see here xbdf, a new volume has been attached now and it is not mounted yet. You can see only the disk is there. Okay, but no data is available within this, right? Now I will check whether any data is there within this disk or not. Okay, so I will use sudo file -s /dev /xbdf, right? So this is used to check whether any data is there or not in this EBS volume, right? So I'll click here. Here you can see :data is there, right? If this is the result, then there is no data within this volume, right? Now what I will do, I will try to mount this to one folder or to one directory. Okay, so for that I will do sudo. Okay, before that I have to create one directory. Okay, so that we can mount this EBS volume to that directory, right? So I will do sudo make directory mkdir and /new directory. That is the name of the directory is new dir, right? Okay, now we will try to mount the volume. Okay, so sudo mount the file system name /dev /xbdf, right? Okay, that will be /dev /xbdf and the again the mount point. What will be the mount point? That is new dir, right? Okay, now you can see one message is there, new /new dir wrong fs type. That means wrong file system type. That means we have not changed the file system because the EBS volume is blank. Okay, so for that we have to change the file system of the EBS volume first, so that we can mount the volume to this EC2 instance. Okay, so for that what we need to do, go to sudo mkfs make file system -t ext4/dev/xvdf. okay, what is this? That this is the file system, means file type, that is ext4, right? And /xv/dev/xvdf, what is this is the device name or the file system name. And mkfs, it is used for, the command mkfs is used for creating or making the file system, right? So I will enter. Okay, now it is done, I think. Again I will try to mount the same. Okay, yes, now you can see it is now successfully mounted, and I will do df-h. Right, you can see here now two my file systems are there. First one is the root volume, and second one is the new one which we have attached. Right, now we can also unmount the volume. Okay, so for that what we need to do, we need to go to sudo umount. Right, now the file system name, that is /dev/xvdf, then a space, and after that the directory where the file system is mounted on, that is /newdir. right? So I'll press enter now. Here you can see unmount /newdir, that is not mounted anymore. Okay, so I'll go to df-h. Yes, you can see here it is not mounted. But if I do ls-blk, that is list all the blocks which are attached to this instance, you can see the EBS volume is still there in this EC2 instance. Okay, but it is not mounted anymore. That is why we can't use this EBS volume to store any data, right? So that's it for now today. Hope you have enjoyed this session, and if you really like this video, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe, and press the bell icon. Bye bye.